for some rice action. Where's the rice? Ship, ini. Chup. Huh? Rice. Ini. Oh, professional. Professional, Tini. This one look good too. They need to be a little yellow, eh?
Make cha-cha.
And this one?
Yeah.
What about this one? Yeah, Falang, Dutch boy, Dutch farmer in Thailand, getting the rice. Oh, I tired. Oh, tired, my Mac. Oh, can I have some non-plow water? I need to drink something. Oh, wrong, Mac. Barbed wire. That listen that the women are not stopped by the barbed wire, eh? Look.
สิถ่ายรูปแล้วหยุด
เร็วอุ้ย good job
อุ้ยได้หมดแม่กระเทียมนี่นะอุ้ยตาย
Like what is this
แล้วคนถามว่าเนี่ยไง
fun crickets here กินข้าวอร่อยมากๆเนี่ย
อร่อยมาก
crickets ขโมยขอบคุณครับ
ขอบคุณค่ะ
Getting the rice. What is that, Rak? Show me this one. Oh!
rice
That's rice, eh?
ใช่
And how much do you still need to do? How many fields?
มาก
Mark. Oh, just to show a little bit. This is the amount of fields they have to do by hand. Right? Yeah. See?
ดีเหนื่อยตายแล้ว
Nui
Nui
means
Thai
I'm
Leo.
tired. Thai Leo means dead in Thai. Now this is not a place for hay fever. When you have hay fever, you should not do this work. Or if you're afraid of snakes. This is how they dry the rice. How they put it in the field when they're done. Ready to get the rice. Now this is how they do it. You put those little things in the back, which you're gonna use to strap on the rice to make these little balls. Let's do it. Here we are. Take this little strip from here, Tini. Then put it here. And you take the rice like this. You put it over here. Make sure it's a little bit at the end because the rice is in the end. And then you try to make a little strap like this. That's it. And I have the rice. Put it in. Card it off, Rock. Getting the food for the water bubble. Good job, eh? Di, eh? Di, Mac, you heal? For water bubble, kwai? Aroy for kwai? Aroy, eh? That's how we like it. The woman need to work. Sam nang mak mak. Sam nang mak mak means a lot of work. Can you show me this one? Show me. Show. Chai.
ก็เจียวเสีย
Whoa! Dangerous woman, eh? Oh, better not make woman angry this one, eh? They have to lose my hua, eh? Lose hua mean that I lose my head. Oh, wrong back. Oh no! That's not funny, Rak. It's stuck. Can please help me, Rak? This is painful as shit. Give to him, please. Take it off, Rak. Take it off. Give me. Take it off. Oh, my cojones! Oh, this is the end of the Boon family, man. Oh, my cojones! Rak, I'm sorry, but you have to drive back with the motorbike because my family jewels, they still have hurt my mark from the barbed wire. Yeah, you laugh about that, but we need to be very careful with that because make very beautiful children, you know. Okay, so go with the motorbike. I catch you later. You go to KatoBoonFamily number 1 now. I'll drive in the car. Ready to get the rice. Let's do this. Oh, that thing. Take one out of this. The rice, if there's no snake, put it in the thing, you make a little roll like this.